Now here's where this gets interesting. I built a system that generated 127 YouTube shorts in under 48 hours. And one of those videos pulled in over 2.1 million views without me ever touching a camera. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how that system works so you can copy it step by step. No camera, no editing. No spending 8 hours trying to figure out what to post. Just a machine that creates, produces, and publishes content while you focus on literally anything else. And the crazy part? This isn't some theory or future of content idea. This is already happening right now. There are faceless channels you scroll past every single day that are quietly running systems like this, stacking millions of views in the background. Let me ask you something. How many shorts do you think top faceless channels are posting every week? 10? 15? Try 50? 80? Sometimes over 100 pieces of content per week. And they're not doing it manually. They built a system, an automated pipeline that runs in the background. And today, I'm going to break that entire system down so you can build it from scratch. Watch this, because once you see how simple this actually is, your entire perspective on content is going to change. This is the part most people completely miss. The system starts with what I call the content engine. And no, this is not just finding random ideas. This is about finding ideas that are already proven to work. Because if your idea is weak, nothing else matters. Here's what this looks like in practice. You open a tool like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini and give it a very specific prompt. Give me 20 viral YouTube Shorts ideas about your niche, based on current trends, high engagement topics, and proven formats. Within seconds, you get a list, but here's the difference. You're not guessing anymore. You're pulling from data that already works. Once you have your topics, everything speeds up. You move into the script generation layer. And this is where most people waste time. They think they need to write everything themselves. You don't. Watch this. This part takes less than 60 seconds. You take one idea and prompt. Write a 20-second YouTube short with a strong hook, fast pacing, and a curiosity-driven ending. And the AI gives you something like, most people are wasting hours creating content when this one trick can generate 100 videos automatically. Here's how it works. That's already scroll stopping. Now multiply that by 50 scripts in one sitting. And here's a real example. I've tested this across multiple niches, and the same pattern kept showing up every time. One small faceless channel tested this exact system in the productivity niche. Before, posting 3 videos per week. Views, 500 to 2,000 per video. After switching to this system, posting 60+ shorts per week. One video hit 870,000 views in 3 days. And it was a simple 18-second video generated entirely with AI. Channel grew 0 to 18,000 subscribers in 30 days. They didn't change niche. They didn't get better at editing. They increased volume plus improved hooks. That's it. Now let me show you exactly why this worked. Because this is the part most people completely miss. It wasn't just the volume, it was the combination of volume and variation. Out of those 60 videos, most of them performed average, but 3 of them started getting picked up fast. And once that happened, the algorithm started testing more of their content, which pushed the entire channel up. So it's not about every video winning, it's about giving the algorithm more chances to find a winner. Now here's where things get even more interesting. But this next part is where most people completely mess up. And it's the reason their videos never get views. You take that script and drop it into a video generator. Picture this. You click one button, grab a coffee, and by the time you're back, 10 videos are already done. The AI builds visuals automatically. And to give you a clearer picture, this isn't just random footage. The AI is actually matching scenes to your script line by line. So if your script says something like, "This one trick changed everything," it will generate visuals that reinforce that idea instantly. That's why these videos feel engaging. even though they're fully automated. Then you layer in voice using tools like 11 Labs, add captions, and your video is done. No timeline editing, no manual cutting. You're reviewing, not creating. And here's the shift that changes everything. Instead of asking, "What video should I make today?" you start asking, "How many videos can I generate this week?" That single shift is what separates small creators from channels that scale fast. Because now you're testing more ideas, reaching more people, and improving faster than almost anyone else in your space. This next part is the difference between videos that get skipped and videos that actually hold attention. Audio. If this sounds off, even slightly, people scroll in under a second. If your voiceover sounds robotic, people scroll instantly. With modern AI tools, you can control pacing, add emphasis, create natural-sounding voices. And here's the real advantage: consistency. When your system is automated, every video follows the same high-quality standard. That's how you build recognizable content, even without showing your face. Now, I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like in real life. Because once you see how simple this actually is, you'll realize this isn't about time. It's about having a system. Let me show you what this actually looks like. Day 1. You start by generating your topics. This takes about 30 minutes. You're using AI to pull together 50 to 100 ideas that already have proven demand, so you're not guessing what might work. Day 2. This is where your topics come to life. You take those ideas and turn them into short, fast-paced scripts. With the right prompts, you can generate dozens of scripts in a single session. Day 3. Now your ideas become actual content. You take those scripts and feed them into your video generator. Visuals get created, voiceovers get added, captions get layered in, and your videos are basically done. Day 4. This is your review day. You're not editing from scratch. You're just going through, making small tweaks, and approving the best versions. Day 5. Now you schedule everything. You load your videos into your posting system so content is going out consistently without you having to think about it. That's it. 5 days of light work, and you have 50+ videos ready to go. Now think about this. If you post 3 videos a week, that's the 12 a month. But with this system, you could post 100, even 200. More shots at virality, more data, more growth, and you don't need every video to win. You just need one. And with this volume, you give yourself way more chances to hit that one. Now let's talk about money, because this is where people get confused. Most people look at one short and say, "This didn't make money." That's the wrong way to look at it. Each short is a hook in the water. The more hooks you have, the higher your chances of catching something big. And when one video hits, it brings views, subscribers, traffic. That stacks over time. Revenue comes from shorts add revenue, traffic to offers, subscriber growth. Shorts are not the business, they're the traffic engine. Let me give you a simple example. Let's say one of your shorts hits 500,000 views. Even if a small percentage of those viewers click through to your channel or other content, that's thousands of people entering your ecosystem from a single video. Now multiply that across dozens of videos every week, and you start to see how this compounds fast. Here's the mindset shift. AI isn't the advantage anymore. The system and the workflow are. Think of AI like employees. Fast, scalable, always available, but they need direction. Here's what you do next. Today, pick your niche. Don't overthink it. Just choose something with proven demand and move forward. Tomorrow, generate ideas. Use AI to build out a list of topics that are already working so you're not guessing what people want to watch. Day 3, create scripts. Turn those ideas into short, engaging scripts with strong hooks and fast pacing. Then, generate and schedule. Turn your scripts into videos, review them, and schedule everything so your content is posting consistently in the background. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to start the system, because speed beats perfection in this game. The difference between channels that blow up and the ones that never grow isn't talent. It's who's willing to take action before they feel ready. And if you made it this far, you already understand something most people don't. This isn't about working harder. It's about building systems. So here's what I want you to do. Go back to the beginning of this video. Rewatch the process. Try building your first 10 videos today, not tomorrow. Because the channels that win in this space are the ones that move first, not the ones that overthink. And if you want more breakdowns like this, real systems, real strategies, hit subscribe. Because in the next video, I'm going to show you a faceless niche that's quietly generating thousands per month that almost nobody is talking about. Make sure you don't miss it. See you in the next video.